Local news for Tuesday, the 3rd of July. The inaugural Wairarapa Awards are set to take place during a special event in October. Organised by the Wairarapa Chamber of Commerce, the evening will celebrate the very best of business excellence in the region. Chamber of Commerce General Manager Catherine Rossiter-Steed says she's looking forward to Wairarapa having an opportunity to applaud its Wairarapa business community. The Wairarapa Awards is an opportunity to highlight these incredible organisations and showcase what the region has to offer. Waltermart Wairarapa has won the 2018 Golden Shovel, a New Zealand-wide award for business performance. And Wairarapa aged care worker Simone O'Connor says she's been reminding her workmates about the pay increase which became effective from last Sunday. She says many had forgotten they were due another pay rise. Home Support Delegate Shannon Crawley says says a year on the settlement has changed her life, allowing simple pleasures like taking her son to the movies and planning her first holiday in years. And in sport, the Wairarapa United men have picked up a 3-2 victory on the weekend over Wellington United, while the women's firsts had a 7-1 victory over Palmerston North Marist. And football fans are getting excited with the Phoenix due to play here on the 17th of July.